Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Eduardo and today we'll talk about how to turn spreadsheet data into a manufacturing dashboard. But before I start talking about this, there's one point that I would like to stress, which is data collection. So for you to have a continuous improvement process in your factory, you need to have data. You need to rely on data. So that's the reason why a reliable data source is extremely important for you to have a proper analysis of that data. And I know that many factories, many companies, they still rely on manual input of data. So you have many different data sources in the shop floor, like the equipment operators, the line supervisors, the quality team, the maintenance team. They will all be populating spreadsheets with data that will be used later. You have to put a lot of effort on that. It's time consuming and it can be inaccurate, right? And as you know, today we are going through a digital transformation process. We have been talking about Industry 4.0, the new industrial revolution that's going on, and there are ways to collect data in an automatic way. So there are smart sensors around, etc., that can help you do that task. And PackIOT can also help you go through this transformation phase. Now, saying that, we go to analysis, and the first question that comes to mind is, how am I going to start? There are many tools available on the market that you can start with, like BI softwares, so business intelligence software. To mention a few, Data Studio from Google, open source tools that you can use, and also more sophisticated software like Power BI, Tableau, and you pay for what you get, right? But we should not forget spreadsheet software, right? Spreadsheet software is extremely powerful, and I think the first thing that comes to mind usually is that if you want to start analyzing data in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, for example, you will have to copy paste data into the spreadsheet, and that's not true. So there are many ways of connecting your spreadsheet to external data sources that make it extremely powerful. So you can basically refresh data always when you want, right? Second thing that is important to mention is statistical analysis. So there are many tools, many functions available in this spreadsheet software that you can use to start having insights from your data. And then on the top of that, you can also create your dashboards, right? Because there are many different visualization tools that you can use, again, to get insight into data. I will share my screen shortly just to show you a dashboard I have created. It took me less than 10 minutes and it's bringing very simple information, but it's already very important information for you. Okay, I'm in Microsoft Excel now. This data is coming from an external data source, and this is a visualization of a machine. I have an in-feed counter, out-feed counter, scrap exit, and this is what I'm getting for every hour, in-feed, out-feed, and also the amount of time that this machine is not running. So it could be much more information about planned downtime, unplanned downtime. Just to keep it easy, this is the data that I'm getting right now. I have to write some logics, very simple. I have logics, date logics. I have a shift logic. I'm just saying that this virtual company has 2 shifts, from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., 6 p.m., 6 a.m. on the next day. And then I start pulling data that is aggregated. So basically I'm pulling in-feed information for that shift, out-feed, and stopped, and I know the ideal production for that specific shift based on the ideal speed of the machine. This is the available time, and then I can calculate the overall equipment efficiency, effectiveness, quality factor, availability factor, and performance factor. And this is what I see here in this dashboard. So you can see I can change the day, I can change the shift, right? And I get this information. For example, Monday, April 13th, first shift, had an OEE of 77.1%. You can start looking at these factors to see, okay, I have a performance of 90.9%, should be 100%. So why is the machine not running at full speed? So you can talk to your operators, right? If I go to shift 2, oh, I went to 60% of OEE. Then you can see, okay, the availability dropped to 70.1%. What is the reason for that? Of course, then you have to drill down. As I said, it's a very simple dashboard. You have to drill down to understand what's going on here. But this data is also available. And as you see, it's very simple, but it can help you with very important information that you can check every day, right? So that's it for today. Thanks for joining this video. Visit our webpage, packiot.com, for more information. That's it. Stay safe. Goodbye.